हेलो एंड नमस्ते एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। मैं हूं संध्या, आपकी योगा इंस्ट्रक्टर। टुडे वी विल डू सम स्ट्रेचिंग ऑफ योर मसल्स एंड सन सैल्यूटेशन. Sun salutation is very important part in our life. Mainly is the solar plexus is located behind the navel in our body, which is direct connected to the sun. By regular practice of sun salutation, the size of solar plexus is increases, which gives us creativity, skill, confidence, wellness and positivity. बहुत से लोग ऐसा हैं जो सोचते हैं कि योगा सिर्फ वही लोग कर सकते हैं जिनकी बॉडी ऑलरेडी फ्लेक्सिबल है, बट ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है। आप योगा को अपनी डेली रूटीन लाइफ में भी लाकर बहुत सारे बेनिफिट्स ले सकते हैं। बेनिफिट्स आपको मेरे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएंगे, आप वहां जाकर रीड कर सकते हैं। कुछ जनरली बेनिफिट्स हैं जो मैं आपको बता देती हूँ। इट इंक्रीजेज स्टैमिना, स्ट्रेंथ एंड फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी, बूस्ट अवर इम्यूनिटी, सीक्रेट ऑफ ब्यूटिफुल स्किन, relief from hair fall and stress, and gives us positivity. So let's start. Come. First, feet apart, hip distance. Take a long breath and breathe out. Now inhale, raise your both hands up, look up. Exhale, hands down. Inhale, raise the both hands up, look up. Tight your full body muscles. Engage your full body muscles. Stretch up. And exhale, down your hands slowly. Here now inhale, raise the both hands up, look up. And exhale, slowly hands down. Now inhale, open your hands side to side, chest out, expand your rib cage and look up. Exhale, both palms together in front and little arch back and look at your navel. Inhale, open your hands. Exhale. Both palms together. Look at your navel. Inhale. Hands open. Exhale. Palms together and look at your navel. Inhale, hands up, look up. Exhale, hands down. Inhale, your both hands up, look up. Exhale, move to the side. Inhale, up, look up. Exhale, move to the left side. Inhale, up, look up. Exhale, move to the right side. Both hands straight. Inhale, up. Exhale, move to the left side. Shoulder straight. Up. Now interlock your fingers and stretch your body up. Exhale, move to the right side. And look up. Straight your both elbow. Inhale up. Exhale, move to the left side and look up. Inhale up. Exhale, move to the right side. Inhale up. Exhale, move to the left side. Inhale up. Raise your hands up. Look up. And exhale, slowly down your hands. Now feet apart, more wider. Inhale, raise the both hands up, look up. Stretch your upper body. Stretch your thighs. And slowly move forward bend. Make sure your back should be straight. Look front. And exhale, come up. Inhale. Stretch your both hands up. And exhale, forward bend. अगर आपके हाथ ऐसे नहीं हो पा रहे हैं तो आप अपने हाथों को ऐसे भी रख सकते हैं. And inhale, both the hands up. Exhale, forward bend, slowly. Inhale up. Stretch your full body up. And exhale, slowly down your hands. Inhale, raise the both hands up, look up. Exhale, place the both hands on your back and look back. Inhale up and exhale. Sit and go forward. Inhale, raise the both hands up. Exhale, place the hands on back and look back. Inhale up and exhale. Sit down, hands taken to the forward. Inhale, raise the both hands up, look up, stretch your full body up. Exhale, place the hands on back and look back. Inhale up and exhale down. Now inhale up, raise the both hands up and exhale, slowly hands down. Inhale, open your hands side to side. Exhale, from your right hand, touch your left feet and look at your left hand. Inhale, up. Exhale, from your left hand, touch your right heel and look at your right hand. Inhale up. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale and exhale. Down your hands. First, join your feet. Join your palms. Inhale, raise the both hands up. Stretch your front body. Exhale, forward bending. Inhale, bring right leg back. Exhale, left leg back. Now knee down, chin down, chest down. Inhale, roll back. Join your feet. Exhale, up. Mountain pose. Stretch your shoulders, glutes up. Bring your right leg forward between the palms. Exhale, both legs come to the front. Inhale, raise the both hands up. Exhale, forward bending. Inhale, bring the left leg back. Exhale, bring the right leg back. Now breathe, hold. Knee down, chest down, chin down. Inhale, roll back. Exhale, up. Now bring your left leg forward between the palms. Exhale, both legs taken to the forward. Inhale, both hands up. Exhale, 2. Inhale, 3. Exhale, 4. Now breathe, hold, chin down, chest down, Ashtanga Namaskar. Six, roll back. Seven, exhale. Inhale, 8. Nine, exhale. 10, inhale. Raise the both hands up. Exhale, 2. Inhale, 3. Exhale, 4. 5. 6. 6, 7, 8, inhale, 9, exhale, 10, inhale, and exhale. आप यही सन सैल्यूटेशन 5 to 10 टाइम्स रिपीट कर सकते हैं और उससे पहले जो हमने स्ट्रेचिंग करी है वो भी करना ज़रूरी है। इससे आपकी पूरी बॉडी मसल्स जो हैं वो ओपन हो जाती हैं और रिलीफ मिलता है। एंड द लास्ट वन, आपको मलासन पोजीशन में बैठना है इन द एंड 30 सेकेंड्स और 1 मिनट, जितना भी आप कर सकते हो। इट्स अ वेरी गुड आसन। इनहेल and exhale, inhale and exhale। तो ये था हमारा डेली मॉर्निंग रूटीन जो आप अपनी डेली लाइफ में इसको कर सकते हैं और बहुत सारे बेनिफिट्स आप पा सकते हैं। सो कंटिन्यू ऐसे ही मेरी वीडियोस देखते रहिए और मुझे बताइए आपको मेरी ये वीडियो कैसी लगी। और प्लीज़ प्रेस द बेल आइकन, डोंट फॉरगेट लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल। Thank you for watching me.